Eric Muathe, Muathe.com pre-market, and it is, take a look here at the date so we can have this on the record. We are trading here February 23rd 2016. Market is about to open in about 27 minutes, and I notice a stock that is down pre-market about, let's call it about close to 40% for the day. Huge drop. PTCT pre-market there. And so let's take a look at what the chart looks like at the end of yesterday on the daily. We can see here that the stock had come back over the last couple of days and was coming back to test this level where it has been seeing a lot of resistance right there. And this uniformity has been a problem for the stock going back about 10 months or so. Resistance there for the highs there. Uniform activity, you can split this in half, but anyway, uniform activity, or you can say we broke a trend there for the highs there. We touched that with uniform activity for the highs there, and then even here we struggled to hold above that in December, and over the last couple of days we hit that level, and now we are pulling back. That was yesterday's close. And also take a look at this line connecting recent RSI highs right there, and again coming back over the last couple of days, hitting that line, confirming resistance on the red line and on the black line on my charts there. And now if we take a look at the monthly chart, to remember this is the close of yesterday, we can see that now with this drop it's gonna be moving to fresh 3-year lows on its monthly RSI, which is a major sell signal. And we see what happens when stock move to 3-year lows. Also we can see that already we were trading at 3-year lows on the MACDs. So the sell signal was already there on the MACDs. The RSI was starting to improve, but with today's drop, and especially given the fact that we had already seen the 2 sell signals on the daily RSI, resistance on the top side and uniformity rejection there, the stock was setting up for a bearish move, even though I have to admit down 11 points for a $28 stock is a big drop, which was definitely not seen on the chart. There's no way you would have seen the 11% point drop or about 40% drop based on this daily chart. At least the daily chart was telling you there was resistance for a pullback. The drop overnight is substantial. Anyway, at least the daily charts were giving some type of early warning signal. Eric Muathe, Muathe.com. As always, good luck, peace, and blessings. EACS. And so it is. Mwah.